Welcome back to my channel. See part 2 later. Huzik Thailand gi please like, subscribe and share. Mayam yengminersi Huzik. Good morning. Today is our second day of the island. See morning for breakfast jarring. Aina chadu se mogi rice soup. Mogi a number breakfast and over they have like rice soup. Duguma mam chai. As ice cream se mo 10 or bra. Aduga akoy breakfast loraga ngasi koiba chatkani half day boat book tawre. Aduga akoy chattoy se Maya Beach, Monkey Beach, adagi amana Viking cave. Akoy chattoy se aduga there is one more I forgot. Where was the other one? I got. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯆꯦꯁ ꯈꯔ ꯆꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯏꯂꯦꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ and it's gonna be a beautiful day for us and we're gonna have lots and lots of fun also I don't know how to swim. But like I'm gonna jump in the ocean today, which I really want to do it because I want to see all the underwater corals and everything. So I'm excited. I'll be wearing lifeboat jacket and I'll jump in the ocean. So it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be fun day and yeah. I'm excited about today. We're gonna eat the breakfast and then we leave ASAP. I'll show you some of the glimpse soon. Yerum ne, sausage ne, scramble egg kalama roll tor chagre. Tuan sabang amaroy na. Ay rice jam. Chaki prawn char. I'm healthy or is any the more breakfast because I'm soup kumana machai. Koi second day numita island hopping mayam chakko. Island hoppings the first koi na island chakko Maya Bay, adu matunda Monkey Beach, adu matunda koi na chatlido Shark Point chatliko. Shark Point ta aise iroi bayai na shark ugani na koi di boat thawriba nupaduna shark lai asengba dum ugani haibagi akhoi ibani se chongthare ado aidi shark urakte surbitti shark to urakpane ado ising manungi phajaba coral aduga fish makhan haibadi nga makhan myam do urai ko khuphaja se laitre ising manung se pura magic ne ai one day snorkeling phazan tawgini iroiba tamaga wari ama haibige nong su kanna chui adu numitto aduga mayam irei mayam se yengo pura Pirates of Caribbean ne huzik Maya Bay yore Maya Bay yorga yengminarsi mayam ai si mayam se ucharakke Sina ticket kaphamne khoina lepise aduga moi sida pochai pushanba yadaba khotaba myam do loinamak hape itinerary do aduga map si leire Maya Bay gi map se sisne uchari se khoina do ai manung changa utlakke mo
We came from here.
hello
Yeah, here we landed.
Welcome to Maya Beach. Where is Maya Beach de la F? Ado, si mapam sila ako matamda entry fees lawe 400 baht. Look at this. Let's see. And 45 minutes you have here. The tour visit by 45 minutes. That's the name. They matamda na kung
He will be swimming there.
Where?
The person is swimming not there.
Yeah. Over there.
Look for our boat. Where is it?
Maya Bay loire aduga akoina husik amuk snorkeling tawba chatle shark point da yawdri ko adu sisna sigi snorkeling mafam se mi mayam loinamak tourist lae iroiba adu hujik shudum nong churi yengo whole day numito nong adum chui ko akoina chatpa numito adu luckily nothing happened no storm hujik Maya Bay gi maning rom da laaka ang Saiman ko iroi jami hujik iroi reni sing chu yam na clear oi yengo miyam video mayam yengminasi ai iroi ba haitaba adum ngamnaba loibado aduga life jacket ko sumatak ta khalai do ai do phajana pulogdabagine ado ai adum ithauna leibase yamna pamjai ko haibadi makhan makhan yamna adventure to was angon da yam nungai je ai phanalaka haitraga su adum ai ngamnaba adum ai gi ngamnaba adum tawe thaba khudimakta do adum yengminau miyam iroi ba haitraga su dum nungai ba isingda kidaba adum ngai hangoi nei roi ba ga chamane taije
Water is not so clean here, so we're gonna go, guys. Water is cleaner at our restaurant Hotel Beach. So let's enjoy that. This is no fun. And first experience snorkeling. So yeah. She's doing good. That's the first time, second time in the ocean. It was yesterday, first time. She's doing really good. Yeah, sounds fun.
This is a now. Remember you showed me Finding Nemo video when I came home. First holiday I saw Nemos, 3 Nemos. Na cute tho. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ snorkeling ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ snorkeling ꯂꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ Viking cave ꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦ Viking ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤ historyꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ restricted ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ Viking caveꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯨꯅꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯗꯣ ꯈꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯡꯂꯤ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯅꯣꯡ ꯆꯨꯊꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯁꯦ monkey beachꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯦꯀꯣ monkey beachꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯆꯨꯊꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯆꯨꯊꯔꯛꯄꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯆꯨꯊꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯋꯦቭ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ 이레이 ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯂꯛꯀꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯨꯔꯤꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗꯤ the whole trip ꯕꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯦቭ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ 이레이 ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯈꯨꯀꯟꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ it was crazy like it was so much fun 이레이ꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯐꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯐꯝꯃꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯃꯤꯟꯅ ꯐꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯥꯀꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯁ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯝꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯁꯨ ꯋꯦቭ ꯈꯨꯆꯥꯎꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ We are at Monkey Beach ꯌꯣꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ
Humans and monkeys together.
सिगी वीडियो सिदी पार्ट 2 से मंकी बीच द लोशन मिनरसी कईगिनोदा सी मतुंगदा अखोइना शार्क पॉइंट द चटपदा वीडियो नमहौद्रे कईगिनो हाइबदा इबानी मक समुद्र द चोंथमिनबगी अदुगा समुद्र मनुंग से पूरा मैजिकल ट्रिप अमनिको nga yam phasa lay coral yam phasa lay yengigay pen banaide ai phasana iroijaba tamaga amuka ai snorkeling tawgini phasana handakti ai tingkhangchu yui sorbitna sak ubada mana excited oidana korakpada ai khongopsu tonghudabagi coral gi moi amuba species ising manungda laibduda ina lepsaludana tingkhangchu kanna yugi handaki tripsida adakimta kaide asina takpadi mathanggi triptadi swimming tawba matamda khongop tongu haiba ado mayam like tawbiba kawganu share su tawbiba kawganu aduga mathanggi ai khoina traveling tawba khudingi video hapkacharake matek mayam enjoy tominasi thank you khurumjari